And finally, a look at some warmer temperatures. Mentioned earlier, we had a really warm February, really chilly March, and the early part of April now. We've turned the corner. Doesn't mean it's going to stay warm the entire time, but right now, again, a really nice evening out there. We had highs today, finally climbed back into the mid-70s. No precipitation at all to track, nor will there be tomorrow, nor the next day. By Sunday, we will be. We'll talk more about that. Right now, though, 62. Mentioned this earlier. We would have been really happy recently with 62 for a high. Here we are not too far from midnight, and it's that. And even by morning, same thing. 55 would have felt great a number of days in the last couple of weeks. And that's going to be our overnight low tonight. Very breezy, however, so that'll feel a little bit cool out there. As far as the pollen report, well, we're talking about a lot of different allergy sufferers out there right now from various things. Luckily, the grass pollen's fairly low currently, moderate for weeds. Tree pollen, the biggest problem, is unfortunately very, very high, and the mold, luckily, is very low. So Futurecast going to call for those readings to stay in the mid-50s for most of us overnight. Inland areas will be into the lower 50s. Front to the north stays to the north, so that's where all the precipitation is. As for around here, tomorrow, temperatures even warmer than today. Today was mid-70s. Tomorrow, we're going to predict an 80-degree temperature, and then even milder tomorrow night. So if tomorrow morning is going to be mild compared to what we've seen lately, you're really going to like Saturday morning because it will be 60 instead of the mid-50s for tonight. So that'll be even milder. And then watch what happens out to the west. We get the warm air out ahead of the next system again on Saturday. Another beautiful day Saturday. By Saturday night, though, the system is organizing. Pretty powerful cold front out ahead of it. Sunday morning, it's still well west of us. In fact, it's west of western parts of the tip of Virginia, but it does come through later Sunday night into Monday. That causes some pretty significant changes. A little bit of moisture well to our north again with that front, but for tonight, 55. Quite breezy, even windy in a few spots near the open water. Mainly clear, winds gusting up to about 30 at times. Tomorrow 80, a lot of sunshine again and even warmer. Today again was mid-70s. Tomorrow add on about 5 degrees. Tomorrow night mainly clear. Another very breezy night down to 60 and then 80 again on Saturday. Still very warm. Humidity starts to come up a little bit. It still won't be anything like we get in the summer, but it will go from being very dry to just sort of average for springtime. And then on Sunday, any time of day, even in the morning, there will be some clouds and a stray shower. Still going to be warm, though, with 78. Better chance of a few showers or even some thunderstorms late in the day. Sunday night, maybe a couple of heavier ones. And then Monday, early morning, a chance of a shower. Then things clear out. We drop down into the upper 60s for a high Monday. Tuesday, 63, and then right back to 70 and 72 Wednesday, Thursday.
All right, thanks, Jeff. Yeah.